JIRIBAM district wore deserted look due to the 24-hour total shutdown that began today. The shutdown has been imposed in JIRIBAM district from 6 a.m. till 6 a.m. tomorrow, decrying a failure of authority concerned to arrest culprits involved in IED blast that occurred on March 28. Movement of vehicles and commuters across Assam-Manipur border was strictly prohibited owing to the shutdown. In response to the shutdown, all business establishments and transport service remained paralyzed. JIRIBAM Development Organization JDO President Elangwam Diwan Meitei said that the shutdown was imposed in protest against failure of authority concerned to arrest culprits involved in March 28 IED blast at Lamtai Kono village under Borobekra subdivision. Earlier, several civil bodies of the district served an ultimatum of 24 hours to the authority concerned, demanding arrest of those culprits involved in the blast. However, no visible action has been taken up till date. He lamented that even the local MLA is remaining a silent spectator, regardless of the fact that the incident could have been inflicted human casualties. Medical emergencies, religious ceremony and essential services, among others, are exempted from the purview of the shutdown.
Koida Tawibansi, Nangi Lamai Kunogi, Tang Kunibangi, Angan Bayuta, Pokaki, Boom to Maryland Tawuni, local level and any responsible Piraktabasi, Akoyam Najade, Zirida, Tenkangam, Satariva, Tabuxing Sida, local level must have a yaw of Ravi coaching over the Lay. Marmaduna Masi Atumatanda, Haiva, Soiva victims, compensations, PV Gadavani, Aduga, Lady Culprits, Tido Piramasi, Favi Gadavani, Haiva, Quiggy Saitaki Wakatari.